What's going on, diecast enthusiasts? How's everyone doing today? Hope everyone's doing very well. I'm doing very well. Thank you very much for asking. In preparation for the Toy Con in Manchester, New Hampshire, March 23rd, I am preparing to start getting my stuff together for the toy show, which is open to the public. It's on a Sunday from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. So what I do is every show, every flea market I go to, I try and bring a box full of these mystery cars. And what I do with the loose cars out of these multi-packs is I take them in a piece of paper, I wrap them up, throw them in there, and children that come to the table get to pick one for free. Adults can also pick one, but that's with the purchase. So what I do, I do that for the chidren, and I think I've been doing this for a while, and I think the kids really like it. I also think the adults really like it as well. And honestly, my folding skills is not very good, but the fact is that there is a car in here, and the children get to pick one out for free. The parents like it, collectors like it, kids like it, everyone likes it, and right there. So what do I do with these fantasy castings that nobody really thinks are cool? Sometimes I wrap them up, and then sometimes I don't. As for these, I think I'm going to end up keeping these because I got a funny feeling that children and adults won't like these. So I'm going to put those off to the side, and whether the kids like it or don't, I might just take those with me. They might get thrown into the mix, they might not, but we've got this nice yellow Mazda Miata as well. We've got full details, full-ish details, definitely full details on the rear though. And we're going to take a piece of paper. I am recycling paper, by the way. I'm going to fold it upside down. That way the flat part is on the flat part. And you just kind of roll it up. So I find the edge where the front of the car is. Fold that one down. Fold that down. Nice little package. You guys don't know what's inside it. Neither do I. And I think it's just pretty cool, man. I do this with everything, or I try to. If I go to any shows, sometimes I bring these cars with me and sometimes I don't. But in lieu of not having these mystery cars with me, I will bring my stickers. And I will give out my stickers as well. This is pretty cool. Very highly sought after car, by the way, especially in this color too. This is also a multi-pack exclusive. We have the Alfa Romeo GT V6 3.0, and this is a new casting. So I'm going to take that, I'm going to hold it upside down. Now, the one thing about these cars, though, you got to worry. Don't worry if there's paint chips inside the packaging. That is from the rivets. So right there, the paint's coming off the rivet. Not really a big deal. So again, we're going to take this. So we're going to take this, just going to wrap it up like this, and around it goes. Find out where the front of the car is, fold that end over, take this, flatten it out, fold this end over right here, and voila, we have a nice little package. I take some masking tape. I should use Scotch tape or clear tape, but I like using masking tape. I really do. It holds better, I think. So into the mystery box it goes. We have this beautiful silver Lamborghini. Check this thing out. Very nice car. Wicked nice. We got the black wheels. And this is a Lamborghini Huracan LP610. Really, really sweet. Take another piece of paper like this. Take the car. I'm going to put that somewhat in the center right there. And we're just going to roll it up. No inappropriate jokes, by the way, because I was never good at rolling anything in high school. If there's any kids watching out there, your parents will explain it to you when you're older. And I'm pretty sure now, like, kids know so much more than I did when I was young. When I was young, I didn't know anything. I was just this nice little naive child, just living the best childhood I possibly can. So that's it. That's trash. That goes in recycling. And we've got these other 8 cars, and you guys are probably thinking, like, who spends $8 or $10 and just gives this stuff away? I do, because it feels so much cooler and nicer to just give something away. And you know what? People really do like it. And if I could put a smile on your face, maybe, just something silly and something stupid as a free, loose car, then so be it, man. I'm totally cool with making anybody's day. At least I try to. And I've always been told, if you're not making a difference in someone else's day, you're wasting your time. Again, we have another Audi R8 Spider. Wicked nice car, too. I'm going to roll that one up. So just like this. So no more jokes about me rolling anything. Because like I said, I never rolled anything in high school. That's not necessarily true. I did roll my car on the highway. So I was good at rolling my car on the highway. And then that put a tattoo on my arm. A little life lesson for you youngsters out there. If you're younger than me, do not, I repeat, do not get a tattoo when you're concussed. Probably not a good idea, but it's got a really cool story. So we've got a Mazda Repu pickup truck. Am I saying that right? Repu? Anyways, very cool. I definitely like it. I have a loose one upstairs that's just chilling out on the end table. So I do like the graphics as well, and the wheels are wicked sweet. You're going to a new home, buddy. Yeah, he's all excited about that. Pickup trucks are really kind of difficult to do because they're just awkward shaped. And can I do this? I don't know. Maybe I can, maybe I can't. I'm pretty sure the sound might be annoying to some, or it might be pleasing. I don't know. So I think that's why my shorts do so well, is just the sound effects, because there's this thing called an autistic tick. And people can actually live vicariously through me, and you can actually tell that that's a pickup truck. It's okay. So, just rolling along right now. So let's go with the Subaru. Right now, this is the Subaru BRZ Pandem. Very nice car, very nice blue, and I think it's beautifully detailed with the tampo right here. Looks very drifty, and we've got this wicked nice, wicked cool front bumper. It's a bar. I'm going to place that upside down. No, it's not crashed. It's just being rolled up. Not Willie Nelson style, because I don't know how to do that. I never learned how to do that. Why am I talking about that? So, anyways, I forgot what I was talking about. But I grew up in Winchester, Massachusetts, a lovely, small, safe little town. I lived in a very small neighborhood as well. So, it's actually nice. So we got another piece of paper here. We're going to go with the, what's this, the 32 Ford. It's in a beautiful purple, by the way. And on the side, it says Coupe Le Cab. Coupe Le Cab. Oh, wait. No, check this out. We got Shana Paint. Oh, so Shana. We got the Shana Paint. We got the Shana Paint. Somebody is getting a shiny pink car. Wicked nice. So, a buddy of mine told me that this roof line is actually incorrect for this car because no hot rodder on earth would do this, where they would slant the front end of the roof down. But I guess it looks pretty cool for the casting. Not so cool in real life, but beauty's in the eyes of the beholder. And this particular friend told me that because he happens to be restoring one. Not a 32, it's actually a 29. So, and we're going to take this. I don't think anyone's going to go after this because it doesn't really look like there's a car in there. And it goes. We've got a custom Volkswagen Beetle in green with the number 6 on it. And the tampo could have been better, but no, actually I think it's supposed to look like that. Except for the upper part of the door handle. It's not quite an error. It's just the fact that the paint did not dry or cure properly, which is pretty normal. So I'm going to take that car, lay it upside down, and I'm just going to give this a nice tight roll. Beautiful. And I did not send this in the piece of paper, so This is actually going to be kind of difficult to do. But can I pull it off? Absolutely. Again, this one might go overlooked because it doesn't look like a cool car. But I can assure you this thing is very, very cool. So, right there, in it goes. We've got three more. We've got a 1966 Buick Riviera with a nice Shanna base, and we got some kind of Shanna paint, but not quite. And that's okay. So I'm going to lay this one upside down. I'm going to give this one a nice roll. This one actually will do a lot better because it is very flat and uniform. So that's actually what we're looking for. And the 66 Buick Riviera is a very, very beautiful car. Very long car. This one, I think this one's going to go fast if they dig for it. So what am I doing with these two fantasy cars? Like I said, I'm probably going to end up keeping them. So I do have a collection of fantasy cars. I do have another one of these. And I like it. And this one's called the Cyber Speeder. And there's something about it that I do like. It's not a... It could never be a real car. And if it were, you have this giant thing right here. The body is in the way. So you would actually need a camera on the outside and a video screen right here. But it wouldn't make any sense. Why would you put a TV screen in lieu of a glass windshield? So, I don't know. I mean, it's kind of a toss-up. I might throw it in there. I might not. But I'm just going to put this one off to the side. And we've got this one right here, which is called the Speed Trap. This is a futuristic police car. I think this one might go. And the reason why I say it might go in is because I think it is kind of cool. I think it looks like, look, we have Hot Wheels PD stamped right there in the hood. Tell me that's not cool. I'll wait. Tell me having Hot Wheels PD stamped in the car is not cool. No. Oh, no. Never mind. I'm keeping it. I'm keeping this. Check this thing out. It has an AR-15. It's got what looks to be a Benelli shotgun. I'm keeping this. I'm sorry. No. You guys don't get this. I'm keeping this thing. This is super cool. Oh, my God. I've never loved Hot Wheels so much in my life. I'm keeping this. As a firearms owner, I've got to keep it. Sorry, you guys don't get this. I do. So, you are my new favorite. Oh, how do you like that? Do you like being my new favorite? Excellent. Super cool, dude. Who in the world? Who's the designer? Thumbs up, man. You get a thumbs up from me. Very, very cool. I like this. I'm keeping it. I'm sorry, you guys don't get it. I'm keeping it. That's awesome. That's beyond cool. So what do we... Oh. Uh-oh. Something tells me someone's going to dig for this Civic. And guess what? You think I've just got the 8-packs. And you think that you guys are going to... I'm going to bury that Civic. Why am I going to bury that Civic? Why do that to children? Let me tell you something. Adults are going to pick through this thing because they know this thing's there. And you know what? Guess what? I'm not doing this. I'm going on 14 minutes right now. I'll do another round of these, wrapping them up. So I'm going to take this set right here. You guys will also get your chance at the 62 Chevy as well. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to share. I'll know. Collect what you like, and if you're not having fun, you're doing it wrong, man. So do it right at the time of your life. Later, taters.